Hi guys, so I'm back with a new activity today, and today we're going to make window clingers. Yes, window clingers, and they're called so because they, cling to the window without using any adhesive or anything. Right, so you'll need very few things to get started with this activity. So I'm going to tell you what you'll need. So you will need saran wraps. So 2 pieces of saran wraps here I have taken, and you would need some liquid color. You can either use the watercolor, diluted watercolor, or you can use food coloring depending on what's available at your house. And you would need glue, and you would need a drop of liquid detergent. That's all. So I'm going to tell you what would happen in this activity. We're going to draw using glue and detergent mixture, and you can just use your finger to draw anything that you would want. And when the glue dries, it would take about 8 to 10 hours to dry, or you can just leave it overnight and the next day you'll find it dried. So when it dries, you can peel it off the saran wrap and just cling it on your window or your fridge, anywhere that you would want, and they look really beautiful. So let's get started. So I took the first saran wrap to mix glue and detergent, and I'm going to make different batches for different colors. So I'm going to take some glue here, because I'm going to use just 3 colors. So I'm taking just 3 drops of. And just drop detergent. Go. And you can put your watercolors. You can mix it using your hand or a toothpick. I'm using toothpick. You can also use a Q-tip. Alright, so we are all set to start making our drawing. We have our glue and detergent mixture here, and I'm going to start drawing on a separate sheet here. So let's start drawing. You can draw anything that you would want. So I'm going to make a butterfly. So let me make green body. So my butterfly is ready. Now I have to wait for it to dry overnight, and tomorrow I'll be ready to peel it. So I have a few already made for you. I'm going to show you. So here's what I made before. You can see they're not as bright as they were before, because when the glue dries, the color fades a bit, but they're still beautiful. So I'm going to peel it now with you. So they're completely dry. I tried to make a fish. Here I can show you how transparent it is now, because it was glue, and you can stick it anywhere. I'm thinking of putting on my fridge, and I'm going to show you how it look. And I'm going to peel the other 2 flowers too that I made. So this was my first try as well. It didn't turn out to be that perfect, but they're still very beautiful. And I think they're going to look beautiful on my fridge. So I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I'm really excited to put them on my fridge or window, wherever you would like to do that. So let's go and have a look. Don't they look beautiful? What do you think? They become even more special when you make it by yourself. I love making them. I hope you love making them too. I'll be back with a new activity next time. So until next time, bye bye.